This is Gold McNugget. I'm gonna show you how to fix a leak that I've had, and maybe you have a leak too on a Jacobsen Cheif 1000 or Ford 120 or lower. I can't remember how far they go on Jacobsen Cheifs, but I know there's a Ford 100 and a 120 and a 140. So, but as you can see, I made a last video on the leak. It was leaking all the way down here and dripping, and when you take yours apart, you take this apart, take this off and this off, take these bolts out, and these will pop off. Take your battery out, and this arm goes to a little valve shaft, to control your speed, of course, and that valve leaks, okay? There's an O-ring on the shaft that comes out, and it leaks. Mine was leaking on that O-ring, so, and I'll show you the O-ring that's actually leaking. I have it over here sitting on the ground. This little O-ring right here, that was leaking. But you'll see what I'm talking about. I can't show you exactly where it is, but it's right here pretty much under this, against the transmission. But here's the number of, what do you call it, thing I use right here. It's this one right here, and right there, that one right there. Yep, that's the thing right there. 11/16 by 1/8. You get the point, that one right there. So maybe you don't have to buy a whole kit like yours if you can just find them single. But that's what fits it, and that's what does it. So now it don't leak. And I couldn't find any videos on it, so I'd make a video of my own. So if you have that problem, hopefully this helps you. Thanks.